Jamin, when did you decide to go natural?
That's for me to know and for you to find out. No, I'm just joking. About 7 to 8 years. I mean, I've cut it off and grew it back, you know. I couldn't stay away from it.
What made you decide to grow out your locks?
Actually, you know what? I was riding my skateboard back in the day, and I fell and hit my head, cracked my head open, and I was like, man, I need some cushion, so I decided to grow some locks out. Seriously, I've had them ever since.
What products are you using right now to keep your hair looking so good?
Jamaican mango and lime? Oh my God. They're like a blessing in disguise right there.
How did you come about Jamaican mango and lime?
My loctician actually introduced me to the products. I mean, she had been using, you know, different products over the years, and I mean, she was sold on the Jamaican mango and lime products. They're just like the perfect concoction for my hair. I mean, they're just naturally formulated for me. I mean, we're like a perfect match.
My vernacular, working out your cardiovascular capacity. Got you thinking a lot faster. Escape my gravity, you'll need a flux capacitor. You swinging on these strings, I'm the puppet.
What would you recommend to your fans or anyone that wants to go natural?
If you want to go natural, just make sure it's for you. You know, make sure it fits your personality, because if it doesn't, it's not going to work. But when you go natural, just make sure you use good products like Jamaican mango and lime. You know, get a good loctician and just let them rock. Just let them, you know, you could do different things with them, but they definitely show a lot about your personality. So when you go natural, just be natural, be yourself, and everything else will follow.
What inspires your music and performing?
I like to explore, you know, different musical angles, sounds, and you know, with me and the Space Age Rat Pack, when we get together, it's always just seems to be like a very synchronistic, harmonious balance between us. What inspires me the most are real life situations, and I like to educate. My mom was an educator, so through music I like to entertain and educate. But just about anything can inspire me. I mean, I know when I fell on my head on the skateboard, man, I got all kinds of revelations. So I grew my hair, started writing music, and here we are today.
What can we expect from the Space Age Rat Pack in the next few months?
Space Age Rat Pack, we're getting ready to go on tour. It's the Beam Me Up Mothership Tour. We're hitting the country from state to state, city to city. We got a couple movies coming out. Hollywood, here we come. Space Age Rat Pack touching down from Atlanta, Georgia to across the globe. Y'all get ready. We're about to blast off.
Thank you, Jamin. We look forward to new music from the Space Age Rat Pack.
Thanks, Narissa.
You can check out what's new with Jamaican Mango and Lime at rastagroup.com.
Feel